Hi, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to add a registration form just like this one to your Wix.com website. So in case you don't have this sign up page available on your page menu, I'll teach you how in this tutorial. So as you can see, I have it here. When I click on the login form, nothing pops up. When I click on the sign up form, this one pops up so I can start designing it. But if you don't have this option, I'll teach you how this tutorial. So I'm just going to head to another example website here. And as you can see, I don't have these pages here either. So if I go to my pages menu over here and I go to the sign up and login form and I click here, you can see it doesn't pop up the same way it did on the other side. So to actually make this happen so you can start designing your registration / sign up page on your website, you need to click on the sign up form here. And then this section should pop up. If it doesn't, just click on the little settings wheel here. From here, you need to click on the default form option here, and now you need to select custom form. And then you need to click add to site right here, and then just wait a moment. From here, we now have a sign up form that you can customize as you like up here on the little settings, but that's pretty much it. So now when we click exit mode here, and we go up in home menu, we can go on custom sign up form here, and now we can start designing it. So now it acts as a separate page on your website, just like this one. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you.